Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Study Sport. I hope you guys are doing well and excitedly waiting for your results. May Allah bless you with success and great marks. Everyone type Ameen in the comment section. In today's video, we will cover two key points. First point, official date for first year result, and second point is how to check results in 1 minute. So let's get right into it. The official announcement for the first year result across all Punjab boards has finally been made. Students can expect the results to be declared on 1st October 2024 at 10 am. So mark your calendar and get ready for big day. Now let's talk about how you can check your result in only 1 minute. There are 5 easy steps, and the last one is very important. Step 1. Visit the official board website. Go to the official website of your respective board. For example, you can visit the Gujranwala board, Lahore board, or Multan board. Step 2. Find the results section. Step 3. Enter your details. You will need to enter your roll number and any other required information. They usually send a code after you enter your roll number. Step 4. Click on the submit button to view your result. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and good luck.